Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. In this quick video, I want to talk about how to create a free landing page to build an email list. But before we do that, I want to make sure you understand exactly what the missing link is when we're talking about building an email list with creating a free landing page. It's not the ability to create the free landing page. There's tons and tons of software out there that can do that, and I'm going to show you some of those here in a second. What I want to focus on is the missing link, and that missing link is traffic. And not just any traffic, but targeted traffic to your offer that you're actually going to be offering on your landing page. So let's jump on a computer and look for some free landing page software, just so we can get that out of the way real quick. Here we are on Google, and it's very simple to just type in free landing page software. Okay? And as soon as you do this, you're going to see tons and tons of ads that are telling you about free software, or you can just skip all those and you can go straight to the free ones. MailChimp, okay? 10 of the best free ones right here. ConvertKit. Zapier has 9 of the best. 12 tools to build your free landing page. Again, the issue is not building the free landing page. I can give you a free landing page with a link in the description. And you can simply log into your free GrooveFunnels account, go to Groove Pages, and once you're inside of Groove Pages, you can simply open this editor right here, build a site and a page using any one of the free templates that you see right here under pre-designed templates, and any of these right here will allow you to build a free landing page. Again, the issue here, the missing link, is not the free landing page. It's first your offer. And is your offer targeted? And is the traffic that you're using, meaning the source, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Google search, is that traffic you're finding, or are the people that are finding your landing page targeted to the offer you're providing? And that is the key, the missing link to building your email list, no matter what free landing page software you use. Even if you're going to take the next step and actually purchase your own hosting, ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, any other landing page builder out there, sign up for Aweber, use their free landing page building software. Again, the key here is making sure that you have traffic that is targeted at the specific solution you are providing. It goes back to niche selection, understanding what your offer is, understanding who your target market is, understanding what their problem is, and making sure that your solution solves their problem. That's how you're going to be successful, utilizing any paid or free landing software builder to build your email list, to making sure that you have people on your email list that are interested in what you have to say, meaning they're interested in your solution to their problem. So the next question is, how do I make sure that I'm doing all that correctly? Well, the solution is the Simple Traffic Blueprint. And guess what? It just so happens, link in the description on this page right here is my exclusive demo and review of the Simple Traffic Blueprint. It's going to walk you through a 100% beginner-friendly solution that will teach you exactly how to make sure you're doing all these things, to make sure that you understand, and you're going to discover the missing link to making sure that the traffic you send to your free or paid landing page builds an effective targeted email list of people that are interested in your solutions, which are your products or your affiliate offers that you're building your business around. So go ahead, click the link in the description, discover that missing link, and if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen, but not until you click that link to check out the Simple Traffic Blueprint. I'll talk to you later. Bye.